be making an adorable curly deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, pink, blue, yellow, green, and white deco mesh, Chanel stems, scissors, or a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I have cut all of my mesh into 8-inch long pieces. I have white, pink, blue, yellow, and green. And I have made some wreaths where I use 5 different colors in each bundle, but this time I think I'm going to go with 4 colors in each bundle and just kind of alternate which colors I add to the bundle just to make it more fun and colorful. You can definitely add all colors. You can go with just 3 colors, whatever you prefer. I will link videos in the description box down below of how to make this wreath in different ways. I also have my stems, which I have cut into 4ths. You can also cut them into 3rds. That'll be a little bit easier to attach them to the wreath, but 4ths will save you a few stems. So it's whatever you prefer. So to start off, I'm going to take my mesh and roll it at a cute little curl. Take another piece. And as I roll these, I'm going to just crisscross them so that all of the colors are visible. I don't want to hide any of the colors. Take my stem and twist it a couple of times. And there's one bundle. I'm going to make several bundles, changing up the colors, and then once I have all of my bundles in place, I'll start adding them to my wreath. I feel like that's the easiest way to make the wreath, and it makes the actual wreath processing time go by a lot faster. But you can also go with one at a time and do it that way if you choose to do so. Alright, I'm going to make a few more bundles so you can see what they're looking like, all the different combinations. And with changing up the colors, I also change up the order as well. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what a few different color combinations look like. So cute and precious. So adorable. So I'm going to make all of my bundles. I'm going to go with 4 or 5 bundles in each of my 6 sections because you can always add more afterwards. So I'm going to start with that and then see how we go from there. But again, as the thickness of your bundles, it's also going to play a part in how many bundles you have and how long you cut your pieces. So I always say have extra mesh on hand just in case. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of these bundles done and we'll start adding it to our wreath ring. So once you have all of your bundles, we're going to start placing them on our wreath. There are multiple ways you can place your bundles. You can place them all on these center 2 rings, or you can alternate outer, inner, or you can even alternate with each of the 4 rings. Whatever you prefer. I've done all ways. They all look cute and adorable. It just depends on personal preference. For this specific wreath, I think I'm just going to alternate between the inner 2. So outer, inner, just like that all the way around the wreath. So I'm going to take my bundle, place it on the outer stem, and twist it a couple of times, and tuck away my stem. And then the next one will go on the inner. Twist it and tuck it away. And the next one will come back to the outer and the inner. One more time. Okay, so once you have that bundle together, just adjust and maneuver your mesh. So this is one section, so cute and poofy. I'm going to continue adding my bundles all the way around my wreath. bundles in place. 5 bundles in each of my 6 sections. I think that makes a very nice and poofy wreath. It's so cute, precious, and adorable. You can add in any additional embellishments you'd like. You can add carrots, eggs, a sign to the center, whatever you prefer. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to do. Modify the colors, the style to fit your theme.